La 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 la. Hi guys. So, today we're going to be making a very simple origami. It's going to be how to make me parakeet. Okay. So, what you're going to need is a sheet of origami paper. This paper needs to be straight on all sides, okay? You're going to fold the origami paper up to where it makes a rectangle. Unfold, make it so the line's facing going down, fold up, okay, you're going to unfold, now you have 4 pieces, okay, you're going to turn it to where like it's a rhombus, fold up, like this, okay? Now you're going to unfold. So now you kind of have this weird shape. Now you're going to turn it to where what you just folded, it's like this. You're going to make sure what you just folded is facing down. Then you're going to fold up. So now you kind of want to make sure that all your shapes are even, because this is going to be very essential in the future. So, good. Now you should have and also, if one of your shapes you creased too much, you might want to make sure that the others are good too. Okay? So you have a square split up into 8 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the next step's easy. So you're going to take a corner, fold down, so like what you do in a paper airplane. This. You're going to do that on the other side. Okay. Now you're going to turn it, fold in half, so you get like one of those sand crawlers like you see in Star Wars. You're going to take a corner, kind of open the paper some. So see, you're going to make a beak. So if you want the parakeet to have a big beak, fold down more. If you want it to have an ordinary beak, fold down like any measure you want. Okay? So my parakeet's beak is going to be like this. Okay? That. Okay? Now, you see this line that you should have? You're gonna need some scissors. You're gonna cut along that line, but not all the way, okay? Just like, you should have maybe an inch left, okay? So now you're gonna fold up, turn it over, fold up, okay? The next step, you're going to fold down, turn over, fold down. Okay, so you have the wings. Now we're going to make a tail. So you're going to take this corner, fold over to this end right here to make a thin triangle. Open it, fold it the other way around on the other side. So I guess you could say this, okay? So now this should be fold back and forth, good. So you're gonna open the parakeet up. So this should steadily go in, and once it does go in, you're gonna want to fold in half right here. And fold right there. Crease really well. Open it, and you have a very easy origami parakeet. Hi. Oh, dude, what are you doing? Hi. So, I have one thing I really need to say. It's simple. I want you to like the button down there, not the no like, the like. It looks like this. Then I want you to press the red block that says subscribe. Okay? Be on the look. More videos are coming.